So I did a thing. Just gonna grab it. Oh my god, why is it so heavy? I'm so weak. I bought a KitchenAid. Yay! I've wanted a KitchenAid for so long, and I finally got one. So here we are in an unboxing video, which I never thought I'd do on my channel, but we're doing it. As you can see, I've not opened this, and it was delivered about 3 weeks ago, and I've just been waiting to do a video. I'm so excited. How am I gonna get this out? Big reveal. You get to see the colour for the first time too. Ready? Ta-da! Wait, that was a bit unglamorous. Let me try again. Ta-da! As you can see, I bought it from Lakeland. This is in the colour Pistachio. It was £499, which is crazy for a stand mixer, but it's KitchenAid, so I get it, you know. It's meant to be the best of the best. It was actually on sale as well. It should have been $549, I think. Right, what's this? KitchenAid. Oh, it tells you all the different attachments. Nice. Oh, how am I going to get it out again? Manual. That is a big boy manual. Oh wait, what have we got here? We have, oh, it's like a little cover, which is useful for icing sugar, because it means that your icing sugar doesn't go everywhere and you can just keep putting stuff in the bowl. I just don't know how I'm going to get it out. Oh, attachments. So a dough hook, not that I make bread very often, and a paddle as well. Look at it. Oh, I'm so excited. Right, I need to figure out what to do with this. Does that release it? That releases it, okay. Then what have we got here? Whisk. Handy. Oh, what else have we got? We've got another paddle, but it's got the plastic bit on, which I think is meant to be really good for buttercream and that kind of thing. Oh, we've got a bowl and a bowl. Oh, it's very shiny. Like a magpie. And then obviously our main bowl. Oh la la. This says 3QT and this says 5QT, but I don't know what QT stands for. Does that fit on this then? Oh, so you get 2 bowls then. That's cool. So yes, this is my beautiful new KitchenAid. I'm kind of matching on purpose, you know? So yeah, I have wanted a KitchenAid for so long. It's kind of just the top tier of stand mixers, right? And all the bakers have it, and there's always one at bakeries, and they use them on the Great British Bake Off, and I'm just like, oh, I've always wanted a KitchenAid, but they are so expensive. There were some cheaper versions, but they were like older versions. They didn't have as good of a guarantee on them. The capacity wasn't as big either, I don't think. And I just thought, you know what, if I'm going to buy it, I want to buy a good one. Not saying that the other one wasn't good, but like the best that I can get. There was lots of different colours, but I went with a pistachio green. Green used to actually be my least favourite colour, but I don't know, just kind of feeling green at the minute. Obviously you have seen that I've got my Crux stand mixer, which I've had for years now, and it's served me really well, and I'm not getting rid of it. It's just going to be a second one, and I'll use this one going forward as my primary one. KitchenAids are super expensive. So this one was $4.99. It should have been $5.49, but typically it's now on further reductions at $4.39.20. So yeah, it's got over £100 off it. So if you want to get one, I'd get it now. It's from Lakeland, as you can see. And this is a 3 litre capacity, which I think is actually a little smaller than the Crux. I'm sure the Crux is like 4.3, 4.5, something like that. You do get more for your money with a KitchenAid, which you would kind of expect. So you do get this second bowl. You do get an extra paddle as well. I think these are quite expensive to buy outright. Let me just check. Yeah, so this alone is 40 quid, which is expensive. I mean, I think everything's expensive, but that's because I'm a cheapskate. Anyway, yeah, this alone is 40 quid. What I would like to get is a glass bowl. However, they are about 90 quid. So the reason why I have invested in a KitchenAid now, which is kind of a bit of a silly time with how much everything is costing at the minute, but I had some Lakeland vouchers that were about to expire. The vouchers were from my ex-work colleagues through birthday vouchers and leaving gifts because I've recently left that place of work. So that made up about half of the money. So I'm very, very thankful to those people, and if you're watching, a big thank you. And the other half obviously I paid for myself. So yeah, it is very pricey, but it's something that I've wanted for a long time and I cannot wait to try it. I think it is going to look really nice in my kitchen, add a pop of colour as well because it's very grey in here, and I'm also thinking of painting the walls this colour too, so that would go very well. I am going to try this out in another video and maybe compare it to my Crux mixer, I'm not sure yet. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed unboxing this with me. I am so excited to use this, and I will see you next week for another video. Thanks for watching, bye!